This video, I'm going to teach you how to delete OneDrive version history. So in order to do that, what you can do is you first need to head over to Microsoft.com on your browser. While you can also create an account using your actual phone or iPhone, it's actually commendable to do this on your browser since it has the version history. So on this tutorial, we will do so. Click on the list create a free account in order to create an account for your OneDrive, or you can also proceed to click onto the sign in if you already have one. So on my case, I already have one. Let me just proceed to sign in right here. Now here is my actual folder. So in order to delete the version history that you have, what we can do is we can just proceed to choose right here the actual file that we want to delete the version history. I have in here this book 1. Let's proceed to click onto the three dots beside it. After you have done that, you can see this version history option. So in this case, proceed to open it. You can notice that we have version 1 and we also have version 2. So you can also see the date it's modified, the size, and who it was modified by. So in order to delete one version history, let's proceed to delete this one and keep it updated. Proceed to click on these three dots that will appear when you hover to a specific version. Once you have clicked on it, you have the option to open the file to review it first, restore it if you want to use this particular version, or delete this particular version as well. On my case, I'll proceed to delete this. So let's just click on the third option right here. And as you can see, it's been successfully deleted. But this won't make version 2.0 the 1.0. So do take note of that as well. So just close this and you will have the updated version. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.